This is baby boy. He dropped so much and I've been having like contractions. So my belly's so big that make my body look off balance. This is crazy. So yeah, my hospital bag is already packed. That's going to be in a separate video, but yeah, let's go ahead and get started on the first task, which is my hair. Hi babe, so I finally finished my hair and I curled the ends, so don't look at the edges right now because they are a mess. I need to get some edge control, but right now I'm about to get a shower and get ready for my appointment because it's kind of running to my appointment time. We'll talk to you guys when I get home. Hi love, so I am back from doctor's office. They told me I am 0 centimeters dilated with all these contractions, y'all. Like, this is crazy. But no, I just got back to the house. My adapters for my stroller came in. I have the Upper Baby Vista 2014 that I purchased on Facebook Marketplace for $40. If you know, you know. Upper Baby, they quality lasts a long time. My stroller is literally like brand new, so I had to purchase adapters because this is an older stroller. I have a newer Upper Baby car seat, so I needed these adapters to go on so my car seat can like snap on. So those just came in the mail, and then after I get dinner and everything situated, we're gonna fold these clothes that been sitting on my dresser for a week. To show you guys that if your stroller don't have a cup holder, Mom Cozy actually sells this little cup holder. It has 2 insulated pockets and then like a little mesh thing up here. Sorry, she's playing. And then has like a little compartment right here. I have to put it on better, but it does come with like other little attachments. This actually zip off for it to become like a little pocket, and then you have a phone holder right here. But I have to figure out how to put it on here where it stays up like this. But this is how it looks. So you can use a older model stroller. Like I said, mine's work perfectly fine. Like, there's nothing wrong with it. For $40, what, a little bit of scratches, but yeah, love it.